these guys way before I knew about Global Boxing Series. I've seen Tain on Temptation Island. I've seen.
I may have watched a few episodes of Temptation
Arjun, don't
Island.
say a few. I know you watched the entire show. Let's not kid ourselves.
Okay, fine, I did. I was a fan, man. It was great fun.
And you know, Ishant Rawat, actually, I want to say something.
Oh! Ishant Rawat came out immediately trying to take Tain de Villiers' head off.
What's that? That's a slip.
That's a slip. That's a slip. That's not
we
a
saw
knockdown.
Ishant push Tain down. It was not a knockdown, clearly.
No, that's illegal. You can't push somebody down that way through the head. But here we go. Ishant Rawat immediately
and
stepping
Tain
in.
back in with aggression.
Oh, got him with an uppercut there. Man, you know, say what you want. These influencers are putting in the hard work.
What is this energy, Arjun?
It's these influencers are putting in the hard work to start fighting and training properly. And Ishant Rawat, they're trying to step in.
Beautiful combination there from Tain de Villiers as he's unleashing uppercuts onto the knucklehead warrior.
I want to, you know, win, lose or draw. I want to see a rematch in MMA.
I want to see a rematch happen.
Big overhand rights. Man.
All right, we got a clinch.
Knucklehead Warrior is bringing it to Tain de Villiers.
You know, Ishant Rawat actually was receiving a lot of trolling online where people were saying that he's only training. When is he going to fight? When is he going to fight? And to all those people, this is Ishant Rawat, Knucklehead Warrior for you.
Ishant Rawat doing a good job defending himself and he's keeping his hands up. Tain de Villiers needs to keep those hands up. Ishant, both these men back with a good amount of power. They need to be careful here. Ishant Rawat now again slowing down a little bit, trying to find his mark.
Finally these guys have let go of some of the energy and are now starting to feel each other's range. Or maybe I was wrong.
I mean, it's, you know, it's a slugfest. And it's Ishant Rawat who's got a clinch on him. It looks more like a Muay Thai clip. Big
beautiful
shots there.
combination there from
Big shots from Ishant Rawat. And Tain de Villiers is a bit on the back foot.
He's definitely been receiving a lot of rod from
a couple of shots here. I'm looking forward to seeing Tain de Villiers starting to unleash a little bit because Ishant Rawat's defense so far has been very, very good. Hang on, this is just ridiculous.
The referee needs to
that's a headlock there.
All right, gentlemen, we're not inside an MMA match.
No, that's why I want to see a rematch.
He's jumping the guillotine, yeah?
I mean, it's a little bit of a headlock. It's a control method. But
beautiful
Tain de Villiers has got his hands up now, which is a good technique. Good stinging jab there. He needs to go back to the basics. Now, see, this is what I'm saying. That is, it's a 1-2 punch himself. Man, what a slugfest between these two. These two awesome social media influencers. I mean, who knew these guys could fight this way?
Man, these guys are not. This is not influencer boxing. This is just simple boxing.
I mean, it's, you know, that's the thing. When it comes down to it, it's two men who have trained for months for this fight,
and these guys have had a lot of heat between each other in the build-up to this fight.
You know, referee Patikar separating them. It's going to come down to who can hold their nerve and their gas tank.
100%. And already it looks like these two guys are starting to exhaust their form.
I know, but look at the toughness of Tain. 10 seconds to go in this round. Hang on. No, hang on. This is just both of them are just looking to. I think we need to change the rules of this fight.
You know what? Let's just bring these two into a sand pit.
Against the ropes and get someone to punch, get them to punch himself out, and then at the right moment he got that return punch in. MMA.
You know what? Just give them a break. Just give them a 30-minute break and tell them to come out and do 2 rounds of MMA. Well, round 2 of 3, under 30 seconds left.
Only 3 rounds, and Tain de Villiers is head-hunting here. But what a chin on Ishant Rawat. The 8 bombs at the end of that round. Incredible. I'll wait for the third. Tain de Villiers taking on the knucklehead warrior Ishant Rawat. Tain is looking to get him, and he's trying to get him to step in. He's telling him, come on, step in. I want to be a part of that fight as well. Big uppercut. Trying to grab him, but he needs to be careful here. Both men are dangerous. You can see the body language change here. Tain de Villiers decide with one another when they watch out, watch his entry. Hook combination.
There's the takedown.
Yeah, that's honestly, that's a headlock drag.
If this was MMA, I'm sure we would have seen an armbar, Arjun.
No, I mean, far from an armbar, but he's in side control at that point. But now, jokes apart, 30 seconds to go in this third and final round. And referee admonishing both fighters, saying, guys, let's keep this fight standing.
You know what? This is an actual
big swing and a miss. And both men going for broke. Yeah, this is where it gets scary. Now, come on, just guys, come on, man.
I don't know what's happening here, but you know what? They are debutants. We'll give them the benefit of the doubt.
No, I mean, they're fighting for the first time. Yeah. It's not a knockdown, it's a slip.
And again, there's just so much tension between the two.
Ishant Rawat's hooks are just in such a dangerous place. And sudden that card. as both these influencers from a long there, and there are a lot of things saying global boxing.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big day in a day. You guys put up a great show, guys. Both of you.